Hello everyone. Today I would like to teach you about the American alphabet. I will give you each letter, and after each letter I will give you two words that begin with the alphabet. I will pause in between each letter, and I would like for you to look at my lips and the way I pronounce each letter, each word, so that you can get the correct pronunciation of the alphabet, the American alphabet. Okay? Ready? Begin. A. Apple. Ant. B. Boy. Ball. C. Cat. Call. D. Dog. Day. E. Egg. Elephant. F. Fish. Frog. G. Go. Gas. H. Hat. Hop. I. It. Igloo. J. Joy. Jump. K. King. Kite. L. Love. Listen. M. Mom. Mary. N. No. Neighbor. O. On. Off. P. Pan. Policy. Q. Queen. Quick. R. Ran. Rabbit. S. Sam. Sit. T. Talk. Table. U. Umbrella. Under. V. Victory. Van. W. Win. Wonder. X. Xylophone. Exit. Y. Yo-yo. Yawn. And Z. Zoo. Zebra. Okay, I hope that has helped you. Repeat it, keep listening to it over and over again, and be sure to watch my mouth and the way that I pronounce each letter and each word. Thank you. Until next time.